Hello friends, I'm back again with the branch MS ENT. Uh, for the general category now, I'm talking about the last seat allotted at which rank and marks for MS ENT in general category. So here it is, the datas. In round 1, the rank was 10,000. Last seat allotted was at 10,578 rank and 585 marks. And in round second, 10,922 rank and 582 marks were the minimum criteria for the round 1 and round 2 counseling data. For I'm presenting with general category, and in for MS ENT, last seat in government colleges for general category students. Now for OBC candidates, the in round 1 the last rank was 8,685 rank and 603 marks. And then same again in round 2, 7,952 rank with 610 marks was the minimum criteria for OBC categories for MSENT in government colleges. Now for the SC candidates, in round 1 the last rank was required was 27,648 rank and 472 marks, whereas in round 2 28,978 rank with 465 marks was required for Neet PG 2018, last seat in MSENT in SC category. Now for the SC category students, round 1, 46,204 rank and 387 marks were required for the candidates to get the last seat of MSENT in government colleges in Neet PG 2018 National Counseling. And in round second, 45,142 rank with 391 marks were required for the same for the ST category students to get the last seat in 2018. And now general physical handicap, no one was allotted the seat. Now for the SC physical handicap and or the OBC physical handicap. So no MSENT seats was distributed among the general SC and ST physical handicap category students in the counseling. So only ST, general, OBC, SC, the candidates got the seats. If any other branch you are demanding for the seats, for the marks and ranks for the following seat, do comment in below in the video and I will be posting the video soon. Thank you.